Welcome back, familia, to Northside LDN Caramba. And today, Mosquera fails his medical, but we're still signing him. Oh, my days. Just get me out of this nightmare. Get me out of this nightmare. Just wrap up the transfer window. And you know what? It's at a point, yeah, that I don't even whether it's true or it's not true. The way this transfer window is going for us, it's just pathetic. It's just pathetic. Whether he failed it or not, there's some reports out there saying that he failed his medical. Others saying that he didn't fail his medical. Getty images of him already that he's already signed, and they're going to be announcing him soon or whatever. This is the thing though. We've seen this manager hide injuries from players. Let's not forget last season, he hid Ben White's injury. He hid Odegaard's injury. He hid Saka's injury. He tried to hide Havertz's injury. He hid Trossard's injury. Then he went out on international duty with Belgium. Luckily for us, he didn't get injured again. But then again, not really lucky for us because we didn't win anything anyway. But this guy's been hiding injuries. He's done this before with Partey. Arteta's got a history of hiding players' injuries. He would have tried to hide Calafiori's if he could. But unfortunately, he couldn't. This is what I'm saying. I don't know if this Mosquera guy's injury prone. But remember, when I'm saying, why didn't we get some money for Tomiyasu? Oh, Northside, we can't sell him because we can't get money for Tomiyasu because he's injury prone. We better not be buying an injury prone centre back right now. Oh, my days. When I'm saying, why aren't we getting some money for Jesus? Northside, you can't get money for Jesus. He's injury prone. Mosquera better not be injury prone. Better not be injury prone. And don't talk to me about his history of injuries because we've had players come here that didn't have a history of injuries that became injury prone or had a load of issues with injuries since playing for this manager. Ben White's not injury prone before coming to Arsenal. Neither was Partey. I know he's left now, but he wasn't injury prone prior to playing for Mikel Arteta. Saka's not injury prone, but he had a massive injury last season due to fatigue. So did Havertz when we could only solely rely on Havertz playing up front, and then we switched to Moreno. So this is the thing. I just think it's just pathetic. We're looking stupid in this window. Let's just be honest about it. Vamos ser sinceros, vamos cortar a merda, vamos cortar a porcaria, vamos cortar essa vergonha nunca para, meu Deus. It's embarrassing. Everyone, all the rivals are laughing at us. Everyone's like, yo, Arsenal, you better not let it slip. Don't let it slip. And this time it's not about a major honor. No, don't let it slip when it comes to Gyökeres. And now there's reports out there that Mosquera failed his medical. I just can't be bothered with this, bro. We're taking this embarrassment for Mosquera. A player we're paying, it's reported we're playing 13 million plus 3 million add-ons. Bro, I've already seen this story before. This guy is the Colombian trustee, bro. The Colombian Rob Holding. Talk about Rob Holding. He's looking like Rob Holding is trying to leave Palace. He's trying to look for a move in the MLS. All the Rob Holding fanboys right now. It's long for you lot. It's long for you lot. Remember when you lot were backing him? You're gonna have to go to support Orlando or something. Yeah, I mean, Portland Timbers or something. That's where you man got to go. That's probably where Rob Holding's going. LA Galaxy. That's where you man got to go. That's where you man got to go. So I just don't really understand it, man. It's just embarrassment after embarrassment. Whether it's true or not, these are the rumors that are out there. You can believe it or not believe it. Ultimately, this club is looking like mugs. We're looking like mugs. But man want to cover it up with Zubamendi. Man want to cover it up that we better get Gyökeres, you know. We better get. I want to see what the excuse is if we don't get Gyökeres. And the funny thing is, it's taken so long. They're gonna make it seem like when we get Gyökeres, that's the answer to everything. Anyway, let's move on to the Javi Simons or Javi Simons, whatever the hell his name is. He's a decent player, nothing more, nothing less. To pay 60 odd million, some reports are saying 60 million, some are saying 50 odd million, 55 million. For me, he's not worth it. He's not worth it because we need players that are ready right now. And Javi Simons last season, 10 goals, 7 assists. Decent, but not worth 60 million for me. He's doing it in the Bundesliga. Can he do it in the Prem? Massive question mark. The season before that, he had 8 goals, 13 assists. All decent. But for me, what you get with Eze is a player that is ready to perform now, a player that knows how to win or turn up in a final to get his club over the line now, a player that is used to the Premier League, is press resistant, technically very good, but can pick out a pass, and somebody that's in their prime. The problem with Xavi Simons, he's 22 years old. He's played in the Bundesliga. Yeah, he was ripping it up when he was in the Eredivisie, and he's done decently in the Bundesliga. Is he ready to perform right now? To me, I'm sorry. Technically, he's a tidy player. You know, technically, I've seen him in the Champions League. Technically tidy, but at the end of the day, when we're getting our midfield pressed, then there's not much space in on the pitch, and we need him to pick up pockets of space and play them defense splitting passes. Is Javi Simons really going to be the guy to step up quarterfinals, semi-finals, God forbid finals if we get into it, the Champions League or any other competition? I just don't see it. I don't see it. Why didn't PSG keep him? Maybe you could say, okay, at the time they were still doing the Galactico thing. Maybe that's why they didn't keep him on. But I just don't really see it. I don't see this guy. I think he's got a lot of hype, but you know what I'm saying? I'm not really seeing it. I'm not really. He's still very young, 22 years old. He's still very young. He can still pick it up, but at this moment in time, we need players that we know what we're going to get out of them week in, week out. And unfortunately, at this moment in time, Javi Simons is just not that player that I can say 100%, yes, this player is going to turn out. So I just don't. I don't really understand the logic. We could have went for Alex Baena for cheaper, with more experience. For me, a better footballer. I don't. We've been linked with Javi Simons for how long? And do you know what? It just stinks of Arsenal to lose that on Eze for taking our time and dragging our feet. Lose out on Eze and go for Javi Simons. It just stinks of Arsenal. It's like when we wanted to pay more money for Xhaka than going out and getting Kante. So I'm tired of seeing this club not move serious. This Javi Simons now is flavour of the month. Nah, not for me. Not for me. I'm sorry, but another potential player. I don't even if you believe in the potential of the player, let's just entertain it for a minute. Let's just say you think Javi Simons is going to be an absolute baller. Do you think Arteta is the manager to unlock that? Do you think Arteta is the guy to unlock that potential? Because when you're looking at the attacking players, he couldn't unlock the potential of Havertz or Jesus or Trossard or Martinelli or Odegaard or Fabi Vieira or Lokonga. So there's loads of players that you can look and say, why didn't Arteta unlock these players' potentials? Now, there's always players that don't reach their potential. Potential isn't guaranteed. It's not in stone, which is exactly why I don't want just players off of potential. Sort out my bench and my starting lineup with ballers. Then we can talk about players with potential. The problem is we haven't sorted out the whole team. And we're looking at players with potential again. I'm sorry, not for me. Not for me. This manager, if he's so good at getting the potential out of players, why can't he get the potential out of Emil Smith-Rowe? There's plenty of players that this guy could have got potential out of, and he didn't. So I'm not really hearing this Javi Simons coming to Arsenal, going to get the potential. Listen, if it was Prime Wenger, yeah, I hear it. Because I tell you what, Wenger got the potential out of Haleb, Rosicky, Alex Song, Samir Nasri, Torre, Lauren, Ashley Cole, Perez, Antonio Reyes, Ljungberg. Yeah, he got the potential out of these players, but this manager, come on, let's just be serious, bro. Let's just be serious. This guy don't get the potential. Wenger got the potential out of Van Persie, Adebayor, Thierry Henry. Come on, man. Come on. Let's not go on like this guy gets the best out of all these young, but he doesn't. He doesn't. He couldn't even. Why didn't he get the best out of Balogun? Balogun had a year that his numbers were up there with Mbappe. Why can't you get the best out of him? It seems like all these players that he wants to build that are his profile players, they'd be doing better on loan than when they're under his leadership. I'm tired of this, man. I'm tired of seeing this stuff on repeat. I just can't be bothered anymore. I really can't be bothered anymore. I just can't wait to go to Madrid. I'll be real. I just need Madrid. Literally, I got what? I got one more day. One more day, and I'm off to Madrid, and I can't wait. I can't wait. Thursday, flying out to Madrid. I'm tired of this. I'm sick and tired of this. I just need to get away. I just need to get away. Just need to get away from this club. I need a break. I really need a break. And it's mad because the season's been over for a while, but I need a mental break from this club. I still will be streaming out there. It's still going to be the same. We're still dropping clips. We ain't stopping working. Don't worry about that. But I just think a mental getaway. Like I don't know how to explain it, but I just need to. Do you get me? Like just need some sort of break away because I'm telling you right now, last season absolutely drained me. It drained me, man. It drained me. There was nothing left. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It is what it is. Mosquera failure, medical embarrassment. Javi Simons now. You know what I mean? If Spurs get Eze and we get Javi Simons, bro, sounds just like the way this club has been run for the last 21 years. Big up to everyone that's locked in. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. If you appreciate the hard work and the lateness to put of these, the lateness for me to create these videos and uploading every day. So you always have content throughout the whole day. There's fresh content. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Big up to everyone that's been supporting. The support has been crazy. Big up to everyone that's been supporting the channel. And there's a lot of fresh content that's going to be on the way. When we're outside, we're going to be vlogging in Madrid. There's a couple of things that we're going to vlog as well. There's a lot of live streams that we're going to be doing. So it's a lot of good content on the way. So make sure you're liking and subscribing. You definitely don't want to miss the content with the man them 6 days in a row of non-stop content while we're out there. You know what I'm saying? Showing love to the community and making sure we're interacting with you lot and giving you lot fresh content, different content out in Madrid. So yeah, man, make sure you're liking and subscribing so you're there part of the journey. You can see what we're up to. Me, Lee, all of us, Carl, Rashid, all of us that are going to be out there. Big up to everyone that's locked in. And yeah, man, speak to you lot later, man. Let's get this manager out.